Students can be placed into multiple classes, which in turn can be assigned to multiple teachers. By clicking on Classes, you will find the classes that have been created in your school account. You can easily create a new class by clicking on Create a Class. You can name it, select a grade or year, and assign teachers. After creating the class, click on its name and you can easily add students and view detailed information on their activity and results. You can message the whole class and see an overview of their Spellzone activity. Hover over or click any of the scores to view further information. The central column displays a variety of colors, each representing different Spellzone activities. An equal mix of colors indicates a balanced use of the Spellzone resources. Seeing a single color, for example orange, indicates that the student was focusing solely on games. Bear in mind that by default, completing at least one Learn the Word practice activity is mandatory prior to completing a course test on most Spellzone units. This can be changed within your account settings if required. At the bottom of each class page, you can view and download various reports on the class's activity and results, such as course tests, spelling ability tests and tasks. Additionally, you can view and print login details for your students. The options include printing login cards and a letter for parents containing the students' login details. Both include QR codes, making it easier for students, especially those using iPads or phones, to quickly access their Spellzone accounts. They can simply scan the QR code with their device to log in. This feature is particularly useful for students who may have difficulty entering login details manually or for situations where you want to ensure a smooth and efficient login experience.